Hello everyone, I am Chef Roger and I'm back with another video. Today's video guys, I'm gonna make a breadfruit shepherd pie using saltfish. Alright guys, this is all my ingredients. 1 cup of evaporated milk, some onion, some green season, some butter, and here we have some all-purpose, some nutmeg, pinch of black pepper, and a little garlic powder. Alright guys, let's get in the video. Okay guys, first up, you want to cut your breadfruit. Guys, I didn't mention the cheese, but here we have some cheddar cheese. We have the red and we have the white. And now that's our breadfruit are finished here guys. Here we're going to allow this to boil for at least 20 minutes till it's soft and tender. So what you want to do now is just put the lid on and allow it to boil. Okay guys, we're going to test our breadfruit now. Breadfruit is nicely cooked. Alright guys, now that's our breadfruit is nicely cooked. I'm gonna mash it out guys. I want to mash this until all the lumps are out. Guys, we're going to use all our seasoning now guys. Meanwhile it's hot guys, we're going with some cheese. Then you want to mix the scene nicely. Mix up the butter. Doing some onion guys, green seasoning, mix up some evaporated milk. So guys, what I want to do now is to baste the bottom. Some of this guy. Can't see what I'm doing. This guy is just creamy and nice. Next up guys, we want to go in with our saltfish. Just want to spread this evenly, you know guys, so you get a taste of the saltfish in every bite. Going in with the rest of this now guys. Spread it evenly. Okay guys, look at this guys, beautiful, right? So now time to put some cheese on top.
What we do here is go back.
The oven's already preheated guys. So we're going to put this in for 25 minutes. Alright guys, here are lovely breadfruit shepherd pie. Come out the oven guys. You're gonna allow this to cool for another 25 minutes, then cut a slice. Finishing touch of my breadfruit shepherd pie. Right, guys, tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section. Right. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video.